Now you can shop for a home with confidence, from application to closing. Introducing Homebuyer Protection, a new program from Guild Mortgage Company that protects your rate, earnest money, and closing date. We'll mind the details so you don't have to. Here's how it works. If we've issued a preliminary underwriting credit approval and are unable to close your loan, we will pay up to $5,000 in earnest money and $1,000 for inspection and appraisal fees. Lock in your interest rate while you shop. We've got you covered for up to 90 days while you find your perfect home. If rates go up, your rate stays the same. If rates go down, take advantage of current market rates. We guarantee we will close your loan on time within 17 days of the purchase contract as long as you're credit approved before you make the offer. If we don't, we will credit you $500 in closing costs. Hunt for a home with peace of mind. Learn more at guildmortgage.com/homebuyer-protection.